Coming up in primetime news this evening, more rising waters. St. Elizabeth community inundated with more rains on the horizon.
Forced evacuation, rain forecast for collapsing community, but some residents still refusing to leave.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on controversy surrounding a license given to a company to mine in the Dry Harbor Mountains in St. Ann?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.